Hey, what's up guys, this is SREERAJ and in this video I'm gonna show you a wonderful Android Toolkit application for your WhatsApp. This app easily enables you to track your WhatsApp friends, get notifications while they are online and offline, also track usage history of your WhatsApp friends. Another wonderful feature is auto-downloading profile pictures, also attaching these pictures to your Google contacts, etc. And here are the steps to get started with this app. Step 1 is to download the app. Step 2 is connect or link your WhatsApp with this app. And step 3 is to configure the features needed. And here we go. You can find the link here as well as in the description. Click the link and install the app. Moving on to the step 2. The step 2 is to connect your WhatsApp to the app. Open the installed app. Click the next button. Agree the data consent by clicking Yes, I agree. Now give permissions for the app by clicking Allow button. Now we are in the page to perform the step 2, that is to connect with WhatsApp. Here you can see a URL. You need to open this URL on a web browser, either on your computer or on your another phone. Firstly, I am showing it on my computer. Type or copy this URL to the web browser, open the URL and click the next button inside the application. And now a QR code comes in our PC. I need to scan the QR code, click the OK button here in your phone. And now open the WhatsApp web. For that you open your WhatsApp and click the 3 dots. Here you can see WhatsApp web, click on it. Now click the plus button there. And now you have to scan this QR code. Bingo! The linking is very successful. If you don't have an internet enabled computer, then you can do this step using web browser of another smartphone. I'm showing that too. So guys, here is the alternate option for linking your WhatsApp. Open the web browser in your second smartphone and copy or type the URL. Now click next in the app. Now QR code will be generated. Scan the QR code by opening WhatsApp web as we did earlier. The QR code has come. Click OK. Now open the WhatsApp web. Inside WhatsApp, click the 3 dots. Click on WhatsApp web. Click the plus button. Now scan the QR code. Bingo! By this way you can perform the step 2. Moving on to the step 3. In step 3 we have to configure the settings for running the application features. Firstly, we can set up tracking a WhatsApp contact. Toggle this switch to enable the online notification for a contact. Now select a contact. Here I am selecting my friend Ajmal and clicking done. Now the app starts syncing with the WhatsApp servers to get updates of the contact. The sync is complete. Now I have got a notification that my friend Ajmal is offline at 4:44 PM. Next, I am changing the contact. This time I am testing on my third smartphone. I am selecting my contact, clicking done, and it's syncing again with the new contact. My tracking contact is updated now. So this is my third smartphone. I am opening WhatsApp in it. You can see that I have got a notification that SREERAJ is online. Now I am closing the WhatsApp. Again the notification has come. It states that SREERAJ is offline now. After some time we can also see the tracking history of the contact like this. Another wonderful feature of this application is DP Sync. It downloads and syncs the WhatsApp profile pictures to the contacts. For using this feature, move to the second menu tab and click the Sync Now button. Now DP of your WhatsApp contacts will be synced. Also in the third menu tab, you can configure settings for this feature. So guys, that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. This is SREERAJ Melath signing off.